Hi Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of February 2021 with me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Sagittarius, so let's look into the mutual energy between you and your person here. Sagittarius, please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Sagittarius, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, I would really appreciate if you can like, share and leave a comment on the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's look into your person energy. Okay, so Sagittarius, on this side will be your energy and on this side will be your person energy, but again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at the sign that I'm getting for you here, Sagittarius, I'm getting a very strong water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong air energy, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini, and then fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now looking at the mutual energy between you and your person here, Sagittarius, I've got deserving, and then I've also got family, friends and God. Oh wow, look at this. I've got healing and transformation. So a lot of very strong divine support is coming up in your reading here, Sagittarius. I feel like either you or your person could have recently lost someone. Again, this could also be like something, someone from the past, like mother figure, father figure, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, brother, cousin, basically someone that either you or your person were really close with, but somehow they actually already passed away, because I'm getting like a very strong divine energy as well as a very strong past loved one energy coming up here as the spirit guides that is basically guiding both you and your person to come into the union here, Sagittarius. Now looking at this deserving energy, I feel like this is something that you're currently struggling with at this point of time, in a sense that you always keep on thinking within yourself that I'm not good enough, I just don't deserve anything positive, like all those kind of like negative energy or negative mindset. This is something that you need to let go here, I would say here, Sagittarius. You need to come from the place that okay, I deserve to be I deserve to have a committed and loving relationship. I deserve this. I do know about me, like I have this confidence. I know about my self-esteem. Like you need to come from that deserving energy, because this is something that you're currently struggling with, I would say here, Sagittarius. Because the thing here is that when you want to manifest something here, the first thing that you need to do here is that belief, having that belief energy. Because unless and until you believe something that you actually deserve to have this, you will always have the doubt, you will always have the fear. So this is something that you need to break free from here, Sagittarius. Now looking at your energy here, I've got the Seven of Swords, I've got the Ten of Wands, and then I've got the death or the rebirth energy, and then I've got the strength card coming up here. So the first thing that I'm getting for you here, Sagittarius, with this Seven of Swords and the Ten of Wands energy coming up here, is that there are a lot of baggages that you're carrying at this particular point of time here, Sagittarius. Now these baggages can be the baggages from the past, such as emotional pain, emotional trauma, like you could have been in an abusive situation, mental abuse, sexual abuse, verbal abuse, any type of abusive situation that is actually just increasing, or just like piling up, like all this abusive situation has been piling up in your life here, Sagittarius, that at this point of time it's like you are carrying that baggage, carrying that burden wherever you go. So it's something that you need to let go of here, Sagittarius. I don't feel like you have been manipulated, or like there was some kind of like manipulative and deceitful situation in your past here that is still affecting you up until this particular point of time here, Sagittarius. So this is something that you need to completely let go of. You cannot go through a rebirth process, you cannot be free, and you cannot heal completely here if you do not face all these fears, if you do not face all these things that happened towards you in the past that is causing you to have this emotional pain and all this emotional trauma. As you can see here, wherever you go, you're always carrying this burden. Wherever you go, you're always carrying like this past burden, this past baggages, onto your life. So this is something that you need to completely like letting go once and for all. You need to completely stop here and just check out, are all these baggages something that's really really important for you to carry? How many of these baggages, how many of these baggages that you can just like leave it be, so this is something that you need to go through here, Sagittarius, because after you go through that, this is when you're going to have the rebirth or the transformation energy. And I've also got the strength card coming up here. Yes, it's definitely going to be hard, it's definitely not going to be easy to revisit all of these things in the past, but you have that strength to let go of all of this unnecessary pain, unnecessary trauma here, Sagittarius. And this is like going to give you, how do I say it here, this is what going to give you that newborn energy, like a very strong rebirth energy here. And no matter what, just know that you are strong within yourself here, and you can always ask for the divine help. This is also why I've got a very strong divine presence coming up here in your reading, because for you to go through all this healing alone is definitely hard. So all you need to do here is that just sit down and call upon your spirit guides, angels, universe, God, whoever you believe in, to help you to go through all this healing energy here, Sagittarius. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the moon, I've got the high priestess, and then I've got the knight of wands. As you can see here, literally someone riding the horse to come towards you. Look at the sign here, the village. So your person is coming towards you. There is no doubt on that here, Sagittarius. I do feel like I'm getting like a very strong full moon energy, honestly. As you can see here, I've got the moon card, and then there's also the moon energy coming up here. So on the 28th of January, which is today, there is going to be, I feel like this particular full moon energy is going to be quite significant for you here, Sagittarius. It's like a very strong, how do I say it here, a very strong transformational energy, I would say. I've also got the 10 of swords coming up here. So if you look at this, another full moon energy coming up for you here, Sagittarius. So I would definitely suggest you to go through this transformation and healing energy during this full moon energy. Now I do feel like your person is also going to go through a massive transformation. They're definitely going to go through a massive transformation this full moon here, Sagittarius. Like, there is no doubt on that. And this full moon energy is what is going to bring your person coming back towards you, is what going to bring your person to come back towards you here. And this is also finally your person is actually going to make peace with all of this with all of the mistakes, and with all of this the mistakes and the hurt that they have inflicted on you, I would say here. So it's quite almost the similar energy, I would say, here between both of you here, Sagittarius. But I feel like strongly with your person, there's definitely going to be a massive transformation, and there is no doubt on that here, and they're definitely coming towards you. I do feel like your person has been thinking about you here. If you have been losing sleep, I would say here, Sagittarius, or if you have been having anxiety energy coming up here, anxiety, or trouble sleeping, nightmare, all those kind of energy, I do feel like this is that you're picking up your person energy, I would even say here, Sagittarius. So what you need to do here is that to pray and sending them guidance. I do feel like they might not know about the label of law of attraction, manifestation, and all those stuff, but with the way they're thinking about you, they actually they are wishing you to be there with them. Like, that kind of energy is what I'm getting here. That they're like a very strong wishing energy coming up here from your person. They are wishing you to come back towards you to them. They are wishing you that you are there with them here, Sagittarius. Because I do feel at this point of time, your person also wanting, there is something that your person currently going through, that they want you to be there with them here, Sagittarius. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.